Vidtoon walkthrough. Welcome back, Vidtooners. We hope you are as excited as we are to create some awesome video animations the easy way. In this video, we want to give you a quick but helpful walkthrough so you know where everything is located inside the application in just a few minutes. So let's get you started. Creating a project. The first thing you need to do to start using Vidtoon is to assign a name to your new project. Click on the Enter Text label and add your desired name. Below, you will notice two buttons, the Create button, which is the one you will use right now to create your project, and the Load button, which is what will be used to open already created Vidtoon projects. I will show you how to use this feature in a sec. For now, click on Create. Application Walkthrough. The first thing you will notice at the left side of the application will be the Settings icon. As you see, this icon is disabled, and that is because you firstly need to add elements to the timeline so this button can be activated. Here in the Settings icon, you will be able to edit each element added to the timeline. Below the Settings icon, you will see the Go Back icon, and if you click on it, you will be asked to save the project you have just created. We advise you to save it on your desktop for easy finding. And then you will be sent back to the login form. Log in, and then you will see the view where you create a new project or load an already created project. This time, let me show you how to load an existing project. So click on Load. Look for your Vidtoon project, which will be a .vep file. Select it and click on Load. And this is how you access a Vidtoon project of your choice. The Minimize icon will do just that, minimize the application, and you can get back inside again by clicking on the Vidtoon icon in your taskbar. The Exit icon will simply exit the application, but I won't do that for now. Below in the bottom left corner of the app, you will find a plus and minus icon. You use these icons to increase or decrease the number of seconds you want your animation to last. The maximum length of time you can create an animation is unlimited. That's right, guys, you can create animations as long as you want. Below the plus and minus icons, you will find the character, the image, and the audio icons, but those ones are only used to identify the three main layers of the timeline. The big black screen is where you will be able to preview the animations being created. Below it, you will see the play and stop icons, as well as the audio icon for muting and unmuting the sound of the animation. Below those buttons, you will see the timeline. The first layer is the time layer, which you will be able to move to the right or left so you can edit your project in the different segments of its length. The second layer is the character layer. Here, you will be able to drop all the characters you will be using in your project. The third layer is the image layer. Here, you will be able to drop all the backgrounds and other images you will be using in your project. And lastly, the fourth layer is the audio layer, which is where you will add all audio files like music or external audio files you will be using in your project. And this red line you see here is the cursor, which you can use to preview specific places of your project in the timeline. Then we come to the cool stuff, which is located to the right side of the application. On top, you see the backgrounds. Here you will find several HD backgrounds you can use for different scenes. Below it, you will find the gallery, which is where you will be able to upload all types of PNG, JPG, and even GIF images. This means you can upload additional backgrounds, logos, objects, etc., as well as additional animated characters. In characters, you will find all type of awesome animated characters you can use in many different projects in a wide variety of niches. They are alphabetically organized, and you can use the search bar to find any character in particular. Then comes the TTS/record, where you will be able to add voice to your animations by using the Google's text-to-speech service, the inbuilt text-to-speech feature we have included with Vidtoon, or by even recording your own voice. In texts, you will be able to add text to your scenes. In musics is where you will find many music tracks to add to your animations. You can even upload other music tracks as well as other audio files, such as voiceover by a third person of your choice. The save icon is simply used to save your project, and once your project is done, you simply click on the export icon to create your video in MP4 format. And that's about it with the Vidtoon walkthrough. You now know where everything is located. So, continue now with the following video, which will show you how to use backgrounds with Vidtoon. So, see you there.